In this video, I'll show you how to delete a YouTube playlist. If you haven't already watched how to create a playlist, go ahead and watch that now so you can know how to delete the playlist you created. From your channel playlist, click View Full Playlist, click Edit, and then in the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots, and from here you can move all the videos from this playlist to another playlist before deleting it. So if you don't want to manually go through and add each video to a different one, you can do it all with one click here, or you can delete the playlist. You also have the option to translate, but I only do English, so I left it there. Delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, we're deleting this. Good job. You have learned how to create a playlist and delete a playlist. If you haven't already as well, make sure you watch the video for editing your playlists.